Hello, hello there, my crafty friends. It's Candy here from SweetStamper.com, and I'm here to share with you my no stamping gift card holder class. That is my final class in my Christmas card series. So let me show you what I have for you, and that way you can make an informed decision on whether you want to take this class. So first of all, kind of the stars of the show, you'll get one each of these 5 designs of this very fun North Pole Delivery Designer Series paper. Now, this side has a lot of fun scenes. The flip side has these very subtle patterns, and you're going to use some of both when you do my designs. Now, there is one each of 5. These are going to be cut in half for mailing. And then you're also going to get a half of these ephemera. So there's 2 sheets of this ephemera, and there's double designs. So I get to punch these out. My marvelous helpers and I get to punch these out, divide them up, so you will get a half a pack of these fun little die cuts. Then you're also going to get a full package of these very fun faceted snowflakes. You've got red, pretty peacock, and clear. And then you're going to get 1 sheet each of 3 designs in this gold ephemera, which is why you're not going to do any stamping. So this is going to be all your words. Now, a tip is that I store mine in one of our stamp cases. They fit perfectly, and that way, once you've started using them, you can contain all of the pieces. Now, let me show you what we've got here. So you are going to make 8 different gift card holders, and I've got, well, let's start here. So I've done some that are whimsical and some that are more traditional. And each one has a little gift card holder inside there. Now I've done, I'm going to give you examples, all the photos of the way I've done mine. You may choose to do yours differently, but you will have the little envelopes for tucking in your gift cards. This is the Fun Fold. I always like to give you a pair of Fun Folds. So these are just the envelopes that are coming with your cards. So you can see I've tucked a gift card in here just so you could see how they work. And this is 2 different whimsicals. I used to have a Welsh Corgi. Oh my gosh, I actually had 2. Both passed away, but I couldn't resist putting him on the little ornament. Now, all the die cuts are done for you, and then, of course, there's some that are part of the North Pole Delivery paper. Then I've got these for you as well, more of your whimsical, playful, and then we're going to do something that is a little bit more traditional. And I just love, number one, showing you the incredible versatility of this paper and this ephemera, the gold ephemera, but also just to give you a variety of different people that you're going to be giving your gift cards to. So this one, again, is a bit more traditional. And then I've got a bit more whimsical and playful. So these are the 8 cards and envelopes. Of course, if you didn't want them to be gift cards, you could leave that out. But I think that during the holidays especially, we tend to give out a lot. Now you're going to get PDFs for all of these. They're all 8 different cards. And then you're going to get your first class shipping, your faceted snowflakes, half a pack of the ephemera, and half a pack of the North Pole Delivery. So this is the final of my 5-month series of Christmas cards. And I figured now that we're getting down a little bit closer to the wire, it's time to do gift cards and not just your traditional Christmas cards. Thank you so much for your consideration. Take care and God bless.